Hi everyone, I am Arvind, working as a lecturer in Shraddha College and executive member in Nalgonda Economics Forum. Welcome to Nalgonda Economics Forum. In this video, I want to explain about what is indifference map and what you mean by MRS, right? So, in the last class, we understood what is the indifference curve, what is ordinal approach, and what are the indifference curve. That is what we understood in the last class. Coming to in this class, we understand what is indifference curve, what is MRS, right? So here we already taken, there are the different columns here. First column, combinations of different combinations of whatever the consumer is going to consume, X and Y commodities, and second column, good X, which is apple, and third column, which is good Y, mango, and fourth column, MR is X for Y, marginal rate of substitution for X for Y. That is what fourth column which we had taken. So in the consumer behavior, we are trying to give the satisfaction. We are trying to show the satisfaction on the indifference curve, right? So let's see what is indifference curve map. Okay, so let's take one diagram. We will understand clearly. Right here, OY axis and OX axis. On the X axis, we used to take apple, and Y axis we used to take mangoes. Mango we used to take. See, in this, we already understood in the last class, indifference curve means the various combinations of two commodities X and Y will give same level of satisfaction. That is indifference curve, right? So we will understand, we can draw the different indifference curve with different level of satisfaction. Different indifference curve will give different level of satisfaction, right? Like IC1, IC2 and IC3. This is IC1, IC2 and IC3. See, various indifference curve will give various level of satisfaction, right? So here the downwards, which is the first indifference curve, will give small level of satisfaction, and second indifference curve will give higher level of satisfaction. I mean, this is whatever the downward shift of the curve will give lower level of satisfaction, and upward shift of the curve will give higher level of satisfaction. That is what indifference curve map. So let's get into to understand, let's MRS will try to understand what you mean by MRS. MRS means that it will come in exam point of view for 2 marks or else any 5 marks. Okay, MRS means marginal rate of substitution X for Y. Okay, how it is? See here, we are taken combination, different combination A, B, C, D, right? So these are different combinations. Taking X and Y, apple and mango, which is called one combination. Taking second combination B, how many quantities which you are taking, apple or mangoes. At the same time, combination C, how many apples which you are taking, how many mangoes which you are taking. That is the matter here. Combination D, how many apples which you are taking, how many mangoes which you are taking here, right? So that is what different combinations which we are taking. See, for combination A, first quantity 1 apple and 15 units of mangoes which we had taken, and combination B, 11 units of mangoes and 4 units which we are foregoing for getting one apple. And combination C, here same, we are foregoing again 3 units of mangoes to get 1 apple. See, as like that, whatever we are foregoing to get 1 X commodity apple, right? That is what different combinations of indifference curve will give different satisfaction. Same level of satisfaction will give all indifference curve, right? See, let's coming to the MRS means marginal rate of substitution X per Y means how, see the ratio which is MRS ratio which is continuously diminishing. Here it is y is diminishing and x is increasing. X is somewhat increasing, right? The consumption of x is increasing and y is decreasing, right? And coming to the MRS, the ratio which is continuously decreasing. The ratio continuously decreasing. See how it is. The ratio, first combination A, there is no foregoing for any x for y. Okay, coming to the combination B, we understand here one for to consume one apple you are foregoing for 4 mangoes. To consume one apple you are foregoing 4 mangoes. To get one apple you are foregoing 3 mangoes. To get one apple you are foregoing 2 units of mangoes. To get one apple you are foregoing 1 unit of mango. This is the ratio which is continuously diminishing. That is what MRS, marginal rate of substitution x for y, continuously diminishing, right? So that is what here. Let's understand very deeply on the graph. See here, this is O y axis, O x axis, right? On x good, which is apple we can take here, and OY axis y good, which is mango, y good which is mango, right? See here, we can draw indifference curve. Different combinations of ABC, different combinations, all combination will give same level of satisfaction, so that will give one indifference curve. Okay, so whatever the different combination, see here A, B, C, D, E. Take an example, A, B, C, D, E, right? See here, there will be A, B, and C, and D, and E. This is what? E, right? So here A, B, C, D, E. This is what IC curve, right? Different combinations or various combination of A, B, C, D, E, all combinations will give same level of satisfaction. That is what indifference curve, right? So MRS means that when you are foregoing for 4x, right? For getting one apple, you are foregoing 4 units of mangoes. For getting 1 unit of apple, you are foregoing 3 units of. See here, it's here. We can take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. Here we can say, see here it is 5. Okay, so here 5, 6, 8, 11, and 15. See how many units which we are foregoing here. 4 units of y you are foregoing for 1 unit of x. 1 unit of apple, you are 4 units of y, mangoes. 4 mangoes you are foregoing for 1 unit. 1 unit of apple you are taking. And coming to the second one, 3 units of mangoes you are foregoing for 1x. 3 units of mangoes you are foregoing for 1 apple. That is what here. See, 3 units coming to here. 3 units like you are foregoing. See, as like that, whatever you are taking additional satisfaction, additional consumption, you are going to foregoing for x, right? So y is continuously decreasing, x is continuously increasing. So that is what negative slope of indifference curve, right? So why it is convex? Because of MRS, marginal rate of substitution, right? Hope you are clear. Thanks for watching.